We're trying out the Airwrap curling tool, which I have never tried before. We're gonna give myself 10 minutes. You're supposed to start and let this thing grab on, and then you're supposed to turn it off and pull it out. Oh my God. Oh my God, my hair is about to be so curly. First impression, I might have to like smooth my hair out a little bit before because my hair looks a little frizzy still. There's definitely a little trial and error with this. Oh my God, these are so curly. You can also do like a cool shot, apparently. I don't need that. Huh? A little swirly. I like turning it off before I take it down, is what I'm realizing. We still have 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Dude, it's so curly. I'm gonna have to like straighten this. Maybe it won't end up like this though. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna section this into smaller sections since we've got still 5 minutes left. Oh God. Don't start at the root. All right. Oh, okay. We did a small section. Definitely don't need that on there for long. The smaller the section, quicker it goes. So obviously this is a small curling one, so I guess smaller sections are gonna be more helpful. Maybe I don't need to hold it on there as long, but I want it to get, you know, completely dried. These feel kind of Shirley Temple-ish. Oh, did you see that? You know, maybe watching the Dyson tutorials on the website will help me a little bit. People whose hair maybe doesn't hold curl as well, I bet this is like super great. It's gonna last you probably days, you know? And it might just get better every day. Okay, so the timer went off and I have 1 section left and I've been talking during it. It's such a fast way to curl your hair. Wow, volume, body. I think it's a great tool if you're down to wear a beauty queen blowout. I mean, these are beautiful curls. They're very done, you know? You've got more body in through the bottom than the top. If I learn to use it a little bit differently, I can get it to kind of add a bit more body up higher. I just love that it's less heat than a curling iron. So once I've played around with the Dyson Airwrap for a few more weeks, especially the curling wand, then I'm gonna make a tutorial on ways to use it. If you wanna watch that, then subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching.